good to see you. Just a quick message to tell you about one of my newest listings, 1015 South Brookfield Drive. It's going to be open this weekend, Saturday 10 to 2, Sunday 12 to 4. Great home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, an awesome split floor plan. The master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet with the built-in storage system, and the home has new luxury vinyl plank flooring in the living areas. The bedrooms are tile floor, so everything is easy maintenance. The yard is fenced. It's got a 2-car garage. It's located in Crystal Glen, which is a beautiful community, very intimate, small community with dead-end roads, so you don't get a lot of through traffic, or any through traffic for that matter. And very similar homes throughout, so just a nice setting. This house is listed for $195,000, just came on the market a week ago, so I'd love to give you a tour of it. It really is a great property. Now, as far as the location goes, ideal, it's centrally located, so easy access to anything and everything that you might be interested in. Even with the Suncoast Parkway expansion coming through, there will be quicker access to get to Tampa straight from that community. Also, the community has access to social memberships with the neighboring community of Crystal Oaks. Crystal Oaks has a community pool, tennis courts, clubhouse, a full calendar of activities, and they have an RV parking area that's gated and securely monitored, so you can park your RVs, trailers, boats, whatever fun extras you have. And that is all available to you as a resident of Crystal Glen. So awesome opportunity to check out this home. I hope you will come by. Again, it's Saturday 10 to 2, Sunday 12 to 4. Hope to see you this weekend. Give me a call with any questions, 352-476-3303.